Hello everyone, welcome to Gyananweshan. So today we will discuss how prepare a lesson plan of any topic of social science. जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि बीएड में लेसन प्लान बनाना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है और बीएड सेकेंड ईयर में भी हमें लेसन प्लान बनाना होता है. So whenever we prepare a lesson plan, first was very important aspects, that is the general aims. So here we will take some general aims like to develop knowledge regarding of any topic. Here we discuss about the a topic from economics like trading and commerce, and then to develop interest of students about this specific topic. Then we will discuss about the instructional objectives. What kind of instructions we will give to students. Like students will be able to define the internal trade, student will be able to state the types of features of various trade, specifically the international trade, and students will be able to write about the international trade. Here we also discuss various teaching aid we will use during the preparations of the lesson plan like chalk, duster, blackboard, chart, whiteboard. Then we will ask students about various questions, and through this question we will judge their previous knowledge. So here we make a table where we will ask some questions to students as a pupil teachers activity and pupil activity. Pupil means students. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन जब हम पुटअप करते हैं क्लास में तो स्टूडेंट्स कैसे उस जवाब को देते हैं, तो यहाँ हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए दिखाया है. जैसे कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द ट्रेड. So students are answer that buying and selling of goods. What kind of activities are invested in trade? Students also answer the production, banking and insurance. What are the type of trade? Then we find students gave no response. Then the pupil teacher should announce the topic in the class. That's the students we will discuss today about the specific topic. Here we choose the specific topic is like trade, and then pupil teacher should start her presentation. Okay, so here in this table we are showing the teaching points, what kind of point we will discuss in the class, then pupil teachers activities, then pupil activities like students activities, and the blackboard work, that pupil teachers draw some important points or highlight some important points in the blackboard, and that is should be included in the blackboard word. So here pupil teacher like teaching point we find the retail trade, and the pupil teacher we should ask about the various related questions to trade and commerce, like what is retail trade, what is commerce, what do you understand about the international trade. And here we find the students give answer if they know, then they give answer like here we are showing that buying and selling in small goods. Okay, and sometimes we also when the teachers like explain the topic, then the students also listen carefully. So we should mention it also in the pupil teachers activity. And then we find the blackboard word when the pupil teacher discuss the topics in the class or give his presentation or her presentation, then the blackboard work is also very important. Here we find that he or she may be write in the wholesale trade, retail trade, features of international trade, like whatever she should or she should discuss in the class, the important points they may should be mentioned in the blackboard. So here also some points related, like teaching point, we find features of international trade, then people teacher should um, explain the features, then the people also listen carefully, then we find buying and selling the goods, people teachers also explain about this, and local market and all. Then we also find the generalization. After explaining the topic, then the generalization is also very important. After that, we find the recapitulations, and here people teacher gives match the column or asking some questions or put up some questions to the students. So here we showing recapitulations in at the match the column, and some points are given about the topic, and some answer also given, and people and the students should um, they should solve or match the specific one to the each answer or each question. Then we find the homework is also important in the lesson plan. After delivering the lecture and recapitulations in the class, then the people teacher give some homework to the students, like learn and write about the internal trade and different types of internal trade. So uh, this is the end part, and most important, the people teacher should give some homework to the student. So here I showing some example, through this example of the international trades, to how to make or prepare a lesson plan in social science. I hope you all understood clearly. Thank you so much.